Hello, hello. Welcome to Orthographic Projection 3, plan number 3, and the 6th in my series of plans. And I'm just going to grab out the what we're going to do today, and let's wait for it. It's coming up pretty soon. So here it is. Draw scale 1 to 1. So I've drawn in the plan form and finished all that, got all that ready. The following views of the mild steel rod bracket shown below in third angle projection. Front view is A, and the side view B, so that's going to be on the left hand side here, and a plan view. So let's get to work on this. Not with that pencil, but just with a this one here is a little, this one here is a 2B, so that's pretty. So let's see what we've got here. We've got 64, is it 64? Yes, 64 of 56. So that's 120 that way, 120. And this across here is 76, I think. 76, and height looks like 75. Height looks like 75. So I'm probably going to draw B first and work from left to right. So B is going to be looking at B, we're going to be looking at there, it's going to be 76 by 75, and here's our bit of paper here. So it's going to be in here roughly 76, and up here maybe 75. Okay, and yeah, the plan view, or the top, so that's going to be there. All right, and then we're going to have the side view, which is 120, and that's going to be there. And then above that is the plan view, which will be 76. Now, in total, across the drawing area, we have 400, I think, in the drawing area. 400, yep, so that's 400 there. And up here, this case here, 250. Oh, maybe 260. Let's call it 250. Not going to quibble. So that's 250. Right, so let's see. So we've got 75 and 75. That's 150. So I think we could probably start up there about 50. And here we've got 76, that's sort of 200. And then if we, so that at 200, that'd give us 200. And we've got 1, 2, 3 gaps. So 3, roughly 70. Yeah, I might just go in there. Oh, maybe 50 as well. That should be okay. So I'm going to just come here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And I'm going to just come up here a little bit. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and that's approximately where I'm going to start. That's going to be my starting point, and I'm going to draw B. So B. So right, I'm just going to get my clutch out here, and I'm just going to sharpen it up. So I just, oops, bloody hell. The lead fell out of my pencil. But don't worry, there's more. No, I should maybe just use that little bit there. That's there anyway. Best I can. Oh, tricky. Okay, so I just pop that in there. I probably want the blunted one, so that gives us the length. And then I'll just give that a little touch up. We used to have a little cigarette filter thing there. But yeah. Right, so let's just draw a line across here like that there, and that's going to be my bottom, and this is going to be my side there. Right, like that there. Now some measurements. So it's going to be, if we look at it from the side, it's going to be 76. So let's get that marked off at 76. So I'll put that at 200 there, and 76 is there. So we'll draw that in like there. So that's getting drawn in. Here it comes. Nice. I like to sort of start with my outline, and then my height is going to be 75. 75. So I'll put that on, I'll put it on 85, because the end of this is a bit bird, and I just mark it off at the 10 there. And there we go. That's going to be our, like that there. Just looking at my plan here, 76, 50, okay, then a 70, 120, so yeah, okay. I think we'll be all right. So that's approximately there, where that's going in there. Right. And so that's going to be what we're looking at the bottom there. Okay, and then I'm just interested in these little chamfers here at the top, which seem to be 13 by 13. So let's just come through here, and if we put a little a line through here at 13. Yep, 13. Just put a little bit of a line through there. And then we just come 13 across here. And 13 across here, or we could use our 45-degree set square. Let's just do that, and that's going to be a little bit easier, And if we can find the 45-degree set square, that is, it's going to be a little bit easier and less mess in terms of construction, because we can pretty much put that line in. We can just fire that in. Like that, and then put our this set square. I'm happy with it. It's it's been used for cutting or something, and it's got chunks out of it. It doesn't. It draws sort of like using pinking shears or something like that. So that should be 45. That should be 13 there. Yeah, not bad. All right, and then yeah, just across the top we have a line there. Okay, so that's that there, and then the rest of the sides are pretty solid, so I might just put those in now, and yeah, put those in using the T-square. Pretty happy with those. And this side of it's not too bad. Getting everything right. A paintbrush out here. Okay. So let's clean things up a bit there. I might actually use this one. It's easier. I find it a bit easier to manage. So there we go. Like so, there, like that. Now, right. So we've got this. Let's see what we've got here. So we've got this cutout here that we will be, well, this point here. So that's 16. In there, it's a width of 16. Yeah, but how far is it up there? Now this is a bit tricky, isn't it? 75. Right. So that's the bottom there. So that's 16. That's going to be that bit up there. And this here is 25 diameter. Oh, what? 50. Oh, okay. These two here are 50. This is 25. Yes, but it doesn't. I can't see anywhere where it actually shows. Well, that's 50. Okay, so that's 50. I'm assuming that that'll go up to there. Right. This is interesting. So I'm trying to work out what's going on here. That's a center line there, and that's 64 down there. That's 16. Okay, but there's nothing to say that that's actually where that relates, really. Okay, we've got 16 to there. That's 16, so that's that bit there. 16 to there. So I'm going to come up there 16. That'll give me that piece there. So that's from the bottom. I'm pretty sure of that. 16, 10, 15, 16. Not happy with this line here. When I look closely at it, it's actually a double line. I might just a bit more pencil in it. Okay, so that's 16 there. And then, okay, well that has to be, no, and then from the bottom, see these radius here, that's 50 and that's 50. So one must assume diameter 50. So these are up 25 and 25, which is 50, but that's from the bottom. It's from the bottom there. So, okay, so let's put that in there. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so that's the there. Okay, and then hopefully this here is the 6. No. What? 75. Oh, that's that top of. Well, that's the top of there, isn't it? So that's that line through there. So that should be the top of that. I think, yes, that's right. That should be the top of that there. So that's that top line here that I've just drawn now, and then below that would be the 16, which would be this point here, 16. So that would come in there like that. 10, 15, 16. So that would be that point there, which would be a solid line. Through there like that. Okay. And then, yeah. Right. And then there's the bottom of this here, which is the 16 there, which should be a hidden line, I think. So this is, what I'm drawing here is this little 16 here, and that's hidden, so I'm going to show that as just a little pecked, well, I call it pecked, but dotted. So that's that coming through there like that. Like so. So that's that there. And as I said, that was that there. what's that one? Oh, that's the, oh, that's these two here. So I've done that one there. That's that 16. Okay, now coming down from here, $25, 10, 25. That there is also a there, so that's 16 there, and that should be around about 9. I'm picking. Yes, it is. So this here is this tangent. Well, here and here. So this would actually be a there's the tangent. I don't think the tangent comes all the way there, so that would actually be, I think that's a solid line there, because that's that tangent. I'm pretty sure that's where the tangent would be, there, and there's a little 9mm straight in here. So I'm going to show that solid through there, because it's a tangent, so I'm going to show that solid like that. Okay, I'm going to show that one solid, as I believe that's a tangent. And then the center line of the circle of that bit going through there would be at 10, 20, 25. Oh, that's also a tangent, but it's also the center of the circle, so I'm going to have it as the tangent, and then that's 16 through there. That's definitely hidden there, the tangent there like that. And then there's another tangent here, which would be hidden. Oh, no, it wouldn't. It would come around there like that. Okay, so right, what have I got? I've got that. I've got that there. Got this tangent here, which would be the same as that tangent there. Okay, right, and then that there. So then what we've got is these 2 points here. I've got the 16. Oh, have I got the lower tangent? So that's the 16 there I've got. This tangent here. So which one is the center of the circle? It's not that one there. Here's our circle. So, that's 25. So we've got, here's our 50 there. Oh, I got that in. 10, 20, 30. Oh, that's not right. Hang on. So that's our top one there. And then we've got a 50 diameter, 10, 20, 5. So that's the center of the circle. Oh, we've got one up from here. So that's the center of the circle. I'm going to put that there, and that is what is that? That's 25 up from there. That's right, 25 up from there and 25 from there. So that's the centre of the circle. So then we've got 2 at 12.5, and they are definitely hidden. So it's 10, 12.5 there, and oops, 10, 12.5 there. And they are the little edges of the circle there, like that. So that's some of these will become a little bit clearer, I think, when we draw the side view. And this here is the centre of the circle. That's the centre of the circle there, but I've got that solid because that's also a, it would be a tangent across here. So that's how I've done that. Yeah, right, and I'm pretty happy with that. Although it might be clearer, that's the centre line of the circle there anyway. So yeah, I've just got to find my eraser here. So yes, I don't normally talk to myself as I'm doing, well, not out loud anyway, but these are the things that are going on in my head, among other things, of course, you know, as you would expect from. But yeah, so that's the, I think that's right. So let's just, I might just leave that there as part of my construction. So that, I believe there's actually a line through there at that tangent point. I could be wrong on that, and I'm quite happy to be wrong. But anyway, so that's the bottom of the circle. So let's just go here. This one's the bottom here. That's the bottom of the circle. That's the bottom of that. That's the centre line of the circle, which is a tangent through here. This one here is the bottom of there. That's the top of the hole there, and then that's the top of the thing, and then these here are at the back. Right, so now what we have to put in now is right now so let's just get this. So this is our bit here, and it's got 12 mil, so it's got 2 times 12 mil diameter. So there's 16 in. That's not going to affect us here. What we need to know is their distance this way. So the centre line there's 38. Okay. So yeah, this is the centre line of here, and it's, yeah, so okay, so we've got our, so there's 76 approximately, and so we want to go 76, oh yeah, 10, 20, 38 is our centre. So let's just put that in as a construction line for now. Construction line is our centre. There now, like that. It's important that, you know, if there's something, don't just follow what I'm doing, but understand it. And then if you don't understand it, and then each side of those 22 mils, either side of those is those 2 little circles. I call them 2 holes. I don't know, what a 22, 10, 20, 22. So let's put those in. And there's centre lines of some holes in there. And those holes are, yeah, so those holes are, yeah, okay. I don't know why we don't put centre lines in there, but anyway, I'm sure that'll become, those holes are 12 mil, so they'll have 6 mil either side hidden, obviously. So there's 6, and then this one here, 6, and they're just on this little piece in here, so they're coming down there through there like that, and down there like that, 12 mil diameter, 12 mil radius, 12 mil diameter, 6 mil, oh, yes, I did get them, 6 mil, that one's a bit wonky. Oh, I've put that one at the wrong place. Okay. So 6 mil radius, and that one there, I'm pretty sure I've got that wrong. Totally in the wrong place. Went to the wrong little tick. There like that, okay. And put that in there like that. Also that centre line doesn't look too... and I'm going to put these centre lines down through here, because these are centre lines, definitely, of these two little holes here, as I think they'll sort of help for clarity. So that's the centre of the circle there. Oh, that one there's a bit... My eyes. Oh, okay, that one's a bit skinny and that one's a bit fat. Okay. And I'm going to put a little centre line in there as well, which is, that's the long dot. I'll just move it a little bit. So that's the long, short, long type scenario there. So that's a little centre line there of these two circles here, which, yeah, either side of there, like that. And now we've got this one here, which is also, it's on this centre line here, which is, this is also a centre line, and it's going in there. It'll actually look like a circle. So we've got that centre line there, and then it's down from, it's 38 in and 32 from the top. So let's come down here, 32, and all right, 10, 20, 10, 20, 32, 32 there is, yeah, that's a centre line, and it's a 25 mil radius, 25 diameter, so it's a 12.5 radius 12.5, 12.5. So I'm going to get my little circle machine out, also known as a compass, and I'm going to draw a little circle in there, hopefully. Yeah. Okay, we'll draw that in there. And it's going to be, well, it's interesting. I'll just draw it in there. Oh, I forgot to get my pricker out here and put it in. Like that there. Right, and like that there. Uh-oh, I think I've done that way too. That's not right. It should be 12.5, which is there. Like so. So that'll be 12.5 in there. And interestingly, now I've got here the solutions that are they're interesting. Oh yes, some of that will be solid, which is from here up, because you'll be able to see that. So that there's solid. And then this here, hidden, because you won't be able to see that. Okay, so I might just quite often when we were drawing these in ink, we would draw them solid and then just scratch them out with a scalpel, just put little nicks in them with a scalpel blade. Makes it a lot easier. Okay, so yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, just put the center line in. The center line in for the this here now, which is a center line, so that'll have a long, a short, a long through the middle, a short, and another long, and then down through here, yeah, a long, short, long through the middle, a little short, and then another one down through there as a center line. Oh, there's center lines, so they go up there like that. So I've put those centre lines in there like that. Yeah, I'm just here I have got the these model answer here just to check that I haven't missed something, but yeah, I'm generally pretty happy with that. Okay, all right, so yes, let's just have a little break in the video there maybe, and we'll call that just have a little cup of tea maybe. Just clean that off there. So that's what we've got there, like that. And yep, we've lost the old thing here, and here we are here. So there we go. Yes, that's I'll probably get it all drawn up, and then dimension and label and do the notes and things, but got everything marked up. So there we go. That'll get us all good for there. Good Lord.